Looking to get legendary sound out of a little speaker? We'll show you how on HiDEF Lifestyle. Polk Audio recently released their flagship line of speakers, the Legend series, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the smallest in the series, the L100 bookshelf speaker. Don't be dissuaded by the designation bookshelf speaker. These speakers put out an exceptional amount of depth for their size. Standing at only 13.5 inches tall, 7.5 wide, and 11.5 deep, the L100s weigh in at about 17 pounds. So how did Polk manage to get so much depth out of such a small speaker? Well, the answer is in the back with their bass dispersion panel. This ribbed panel spreads low-frequency waves emanating from the rear port. The little circle in the middle is actually the inside of a cone that is aimed directly at the rear port to spread the bass to the sides. On the front, you can see that the 5¼ inch woofer is dimpled with their turbine pattern, just like the woofers in the L600 and L800 models. These are specifically designed to increase rigidity without increasing weight, so the motor structure still fires quickly, giving you the clean, crisp responses with no distortion in the mid-range. By now, you've probably noticed their unusual-looking tweeter on the front. This 1-inch tweeter, referred to as a pinnacle ring radiator, is topped with a small cone that disperses waves in a 360-degree vertically cupped pattern. Small but powerful, the L100s are able to handle up to 160 watts per channel. Their frequency response is rated 43 Hz to 50 kHz, which may be a tad overkill, being that only young children can hear up to 20 kHz. Polk thankfully filters out any inaudible high frequencies that may cause interference with those the human ear can actually hear. Now I know what you're thinking, Gary, you've talked a good game, but how do they really sound? Well, let's listen. Obviously, you are listening to a speaker through a speaker, but hopefully it gives you an idea of the range these little speakers have.
I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave.
The L100, like all speakers in the Legend series, are available in 2 wood veneer finishes, the brown walnut you see here, or a black ash that you can see on our L800 sample. As I mentioned earlier, the L100s are a bookshelf speaker, so ideally they will fit on most bookshelves. However, to really get the full potential of these speakers, they should be set up on stands, so the sound coming from the rear port has a clear path out. If you do choose to put them on a stand, we do have a large variety of stands, different heights, styles, and colors to blend in or stand out as much as you want. Now these L100s and our floor-standing L800s are available for listening demonstration at our Harrisburg, PA showroom. The entire Polk Audio Legend series line is available on our website, HiDefLifestyle.com.